The Attack X11 mouse software allows users to customize mouse settings, including DPI adjustments, button assignments, macro setup, and lighting effects. This tutorial outlines the steps to download, install, and use the software. Steps to download the software. Open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Attack Shark. Click on the first link to go to the official website. Navigate to the mice section from the top menu and select the X11 series to view available models and specifications. Click on Collections to explore features, colors, and designs of the X11 mice. Return to the mice section and scroll down to find the X11 mouse matching your model. Click on it to open the product page. In the download section of the product page, click on Attack Shark X11 software. The download will begin automatically. Ensure a stable internet connection so the file downloads completely without interruption. Steps to install the software. Once the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. How to use the software? After installation, open the Attack Shark X11 software. From the main interface, you can adjust DPI settings to change cursor sensitivity. Assign functions to mouse buttons. Set up macros for repeated actions. Choose lighting effects and colors. Conclusion: downloading, installing, and using Attack Shark X11 software involves locating the official product page, downloading the installer, completing installation, and then customizing DPI buttons, macros, and lighting effects. All settings are managed through the software interface and applied directly to the mouse.